Welcome to UCPath. We're glad you're here. UCPath is your one-stop portal for all things HR and payroll. You can review pay statements, update personal information, manage benefits, and more. We will guide you through the menu navigation and its related categories. Let's get started. The header at the top of the page provides you with various options. The search feature allows you to enter what you're looking for or need help with. Simply type in your query, and it will display a list of relevant resources. Looking for more information? Select the Ask UCPath button. This will take you directly to the Ask UCPath homepage, where you can submit an inquiry or resolve any issues you may have. Below the header, you'll find the menu bar. On this menu is where you'll navigate to and from the various sites of UCPath. The home page displays important notices which rotate periodically. You can rotate through the notices, or select the View All Notices link to see all of them on your page. Below the Notices section, you can access your personal information, paycheck, benefits, and leave balances. Let's scroll back up to the menu bar. Select Personal Information, then select the View Overview button. Your personal information page appears, displaying your name, job details, current profile, and an action needed section. Let me switch users to show what you would see if you needed to take action on your account. You can see that the flag now states action needed, requesting the user to update their phone. Let me drill into this so that I can show you another important feature. When I do, I'm met with a security question that I have to answer. This is because I am entering a restricted page, which sits not on the UCPath portal, but rather within PeopleSoft. You see, the UCPath page you've been working on reflects information held securely within PeopleSoft. In simple terms, UCPath is a website that sits on top of PeopleSoft to give you a simpler interface. However, when you go into the system to change data, such as your phone number, there will be a layer of security to protect your information. Oh, before I forget, one other thing I should show you. Let's return to the top of the page where you will see an accessibility icon. This icon allows one to turn on accessibility features such as screen reader technology, keyboard shortcuts, and accessibility help menu. These features are all designed to assist users who have disabilities, including motor and visual impairments, and you'll only find them on the PeopleSoft pages, easily recognized by the accessibility icon. When you are inside a PeopleSoft window, you will see two back buttons, one on the browser and the other on the PeopleSoft application itself. You'll find it best to use the back button on the menu bar rather than the browser back button. The PeopleSoft back button on the menu bar is designed to work within the application itself and will always bring you back to the PeopleSoft page you just left. Using this button ensures data loads correctly and makes for a more predictable navigation. The browser back button might work. However, being designed to navigate between web pages rather than between forms found in PeopleSoft, it may lose your intended navigation path. Okay, let's go back to the personal information page and again select the View Overview button. A navigation pane appears on the right side of the page, providing access to resources for reviewing and updating your personal information. Under the Income and Taxes menu, you can view your paycheck, add or update direct deposit, download a verification of employment, and download any tax-related documents. As before, it's a good idea to start with the View Overview button. This will open two areas of importance. On the bottom, you will find a section for paychecks, tax withholding, and direct deposit. And on the right side of the page, will be other payroll links, providing access to resources for reviewing and updating your personal income and tax information. Next is the Benefits and Retirement section. Under this section, you can view and enroll in benefits if life events require it. As well, you can view your dependent details. Again, start by selecting the View Overview button. On the Benefits and Retirement page, you can view your benefits eligibility, enroll in or make changes to your benefits, access your benefit statements and retirement information. On the right side of the page, you'll find additional benefit categories, including retirement program links, resources, and forms. Let's navigate to the Accruals and Leaves section. Again, start by selecting the View Overview button. This is where you'll find a comprehensive overview of your current leave balances, where you'll be able to see the various types of leave you've accrued, such as vacation time and sick leave. The Help site provides training resources to assist you in navigating the UCPath landing page and provides how-to instructions for updating your personal information. Managers and transactors will find distinct additions to their menu. The Manager Hub is there for managers to easily view and manage their personnel. Similarly, the Transactor Hub provides transactors with the necessary tools to submit transactions within the UCPath system. Take your time and explore these pages. You'll find more resources on the UCPath Help menu, including videos that further explain the various pages on this site.